Autobots, transform and roll out! Before time began, there was the cube. We know not where it comes from, only that it holds the power to create worlds and fill them with life. That is how our race was born. For a time we lived in harmony, but like all great power, some wanted it for good, others for evil. And so began the war. My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron. Bumblebee is a brave soldier. One shall stand, one shall fall. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings.